Welcome to Fun Toys Galaxy. So glad that you guys are here with us today. Don't forget to hit subscribe to catch all of our fun out of this world videos. Today we are playing with Minnie's magical microwave. We're putting in fun little treats inside the microwave and something magical happens, but you have to stay tuned to see. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the microwave. And let's start with a push pop. This is a jumbo push pop and it's strawberry. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Go ahead and press. Oh my goodness, did you guys see that? What is it? What's inside? Oh, it's Series 2 Squishy Pop. I'm so excited to open this up. I haven't opened up one of these before. Let's close the microwave. Okay, let's see what we get. We got a pony! Cute! Let's see. Oh, here we go.
Oh, cute apple bloom. Fun.
Look at all that you can collect. So fun. Thanks, Minnie. All right, now I'm excited to see what else is going to come out of Minnie's magical microwave. Let's put in some chewy lemon heads and see what she gives us. Whoa. All right, let's see. Me too, but these aren't healthy. I guess we better try a different button. What is it? Oh my goodness! Shopkins Season 5 Petkins blind bags. Oh, awesome! Let's open it up and see which Shopkins we got. Here's the flyer. Oh, cute. Oh, look, it's Tiny Tissues. And she looks so sad. She's drying her cute little tears with her own tissues. Aw. Let's see who else we got. Oh, it looks like a baseball. Let's see, Bessie Baseball. And she is rare. Cute. Okay, we are just having way too much fun. Let's keep going. What kind of candy should we put in there? How about a yummy heart sucker? Oy. Here we go. What did we get? Let's open up and see. Ooh, My Little Pony blind bag. These are my favorites. Let's see what kind of pony we get today. Ooh, it's a sparkly orange translucent ribbon heart. Aw, cute. She's orange. You can see through her and she's so glittery and sparkly. Nay! Okay, it looks like we have one last candy, and this is a frozen candy bracelet with Olaf on it. Yummy. Put it in there. Yes, it is. It's ready. Let's see what we got. Oh, yay! I was hoping for another one of these. A Series 2 Squishy Pop. Let's see who we get this time. Look how cute these little heart containers are. Oh, yay!
Oh, check it out. We got Rarity, one of my favorites.
Thanks for joining us today. We had so much fun playing with Minnie's magical microwave. Look at all the fun little My Little Pony squishy pops and My Little Pony figurine, and then the 2 cute Shopkins that we got. Don't forget to hit subscribe and give us a like if you liked our video, and tell us in the comments what your favorite toy that we got today was. See you next time.